producing male. Let's go to 36. Why does the embryo of some seed keep the endosperm? What are the endosperm? Is a feeding tissue. Feed tissue found inside the seed. Let's go. Why the seed keep it? Keep it. Keep it. It's not consumed. Let's go to the choices. Because the endosperm is only food source for germination of all seed type. B, due to the fusion of ovule integuments with the ovary walls. C, when it does not consume all of the endosperming during its development. Maybe when it stores food in the two cotyledon. No, it's not consumed at all. It remains of it. So the some seed keep the endosperm. Keep it because it's not consumed. Let's go to the answer. Yes, that's the answer. The seed not consume the endosperm. It will be remains. Number 37, there is a figure, embryo inside the uterus. The embryo inside the uterus has many layers. One of them surround the baby and the other contact with the mother. Let's go to read the question. 37, study the opposite drawing and then conclude. يلا هنشوف ايه اللي جاي من السؤال. What are the numbers that refer to the placenta? Placenta. Where is the placenta? Placenta is a contact point between the mother and the baby. So there are many numbers here. Many numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the baby only. 5, it is umbilical cord. 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's answer by reading the choices. Number A, 1 and 2. B, 6 and 7. 6 and 7. C, 5, 6, 7. 5, 5, 6, 7. D, 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. Let's go to the answer. It will be 6 and 7, that the placenta. 6 and 7 is placenta, is a contact between the mother and the baby. 38, speak about immunity. Here is a figure. What the figure? Let's read the question and study the figure again. Study the drawing and then conclude. What is the structure that the letter A doesn't represent? A doesn't represent. It will lose something here in the figure. Let's read the choices. Number A, antigen binding site. The antigen B. C, antibody binding site. D, a protein on the surface of the pathogen. The answer is antigen binding site. Antigen binding site, no site. Okay, let's go to 39. What is the correct order for the action of both hormonal, humoral and cellular immunity? Again, what is the correct order for the action of both humoral and cellular immunity? There are many choices for the first one, coincident, successive, separate, one of them stop the other. The answer is coincident. Yes, there are a relation, action between humans and cellular immunity by coincidence. Number 40. Yes, 40 question. We are good to find that. What are the cells from which interferon genes could be isolated to be colonized? interferon genes. O is immunity. It's helpful for many diseases. Interferon may be injected to many diseases. Okay, let's go to the choices. A, the cell infected by virus. B, E. coli bacteria, cells resistant to vaccines. C, all human body cells exposed to viral infection. D, cell neighboring to the cells infected by virus. Yes, all human body cells exposed to viral infection. I will cheat. Yes, I cheating. I go to the answer without the answer. Yes, that's good. It's helpful today. 41. What is the importance of identifying the defect gene in the embryo before birth? Importance of identifying. Why we identified some genes before birth? Why? Some countries to get rid of these babies. Not here. Here to identify this defect to another benefit. Let's go to read it. A, study the evolution of living organisms. No, not evolution inside the baby. B, preparing a drug without side effect. Some drugs for gene effect. C, improve the human offspring. Yes, improving the human offspring is the benefit we go to study the defect of genes of the embryo before birth. D, facilitate the child delivery. It's not connected. Yes, the answer is improve the human offspring. Improve it by study the effect of some genes defect and identify them in the embryo before birth. Yes, God bless you. Let's go to 42. 42, study the drawing in front of you, then conclude. This drawing is a chromosome. Chromosome condensed to make DNA condensed to make the chromosome. Here is formed a, let's go to read the question before I answer. Yes, study the drawing in front of you, then conclude. What is the case which require the conversion from 1 to 2 in DNA? Which require the conversion from 1 to 2 in DNA. 1 to 2. Let's go to read the choices. Number A, forming zygospore in spirogyra. Formation of primary spermatocytes. Binary fission in bacteria. D, budding in hydra. The answer is budding in hydra. Why budding in hydra? It is mitotic division. Need to appear the chromosome in simplest form to make a division. Number 43. What distinguishes the living organism that provide their young with parental care? Thank you. Thank God for the parental care. The parental care means the embryo will stay inside the uterus for a long time to be mature. The parental care is helpful of God to make us more developed. I think I answered. Let's read the choices first. What distinguishes the living organisms that provide their young with parental care? Number A, primitive, small size, short age, developed. Yes, developed. Developed to keep the embryo inside the body and delivered it as well matured. 44, the questions speak about geology. Geology, earth science. Geology has many branches. The branches of geology is to benefit from how industry, how chemical reaction, how to build, how to stay on the earth, how. Let's go. 44. What is the geology branch? Has great effect in industry by analysis the raw material for some industries. Raw materials mean the resources from the earth to use in industry. What are the choices? A. Petroleum geology. Petroleum geology is very effective. Yes, it is a source. B. Geophysics. It is a branch of geology. C. Geochemistry. Yes, chemistry means the chemical reaction found by using the source of Earth. D. Structure geology. Structure geology means how to instruct in or on the earth. Yes, let's go to the answer. Answer. Let's read the question again to what are the answer. What is the geology branch? Has great effect in industry by analysis the raw material. Here, the key is here. Raw materials mean geochemistry. Geochemistry need a raw material to industry. That means the answer is geochemistry. 45. There is a figure. Figure speak about A and B. Where A and B found? A and B found inside the human. Where? Male or female? Female. Let's go to the question. 45. Study the drawing that illustrates a structure that is found inside an adult human, females. Yes, females. Females ovary, and then conclude. So, we must discuss this part. A and B found inside the human female ovary. Ovary, not left. Okay, not other parts of reproductive system except ovary. A and B. A is one cell. B is many cells. One cell only. Okay, let's read. What is the type of division that occur in the cell A? A is one cell only. One cell, let's say, contains some number of chromosomes that are different from B. Occur in the cell A, and what is its purpose? Purpose, division to purpose. Yes. B. What is the type of division that occur in the cell B, and what its purpose? The first one about A. A has one cell only inside the ovary. Are you closed? Yes, it will be closed. One cell inside the ovary, it will be ovule. Yes, it will be ovule. It produced by meiosis. Formation secondary oocyte. Formation secondary oocyte and the polar body. Yes, it's a cell division. Its purpose, produce secondary oocyte and polar body by meiosis. That's A. It's inside the ovary. B. What is the type of the division that occur in the cell B? B, many cells found in the ovary. Many cells means producing by mitosis. Mitosis, and what its purpose? The purpose, maturation of growth of Graafian follicles. Maturation of growth of Graafian follicles to secrete hormones. What are the hormones here? It is estrogen. Let's go. 46. Return to geology. What are the faults a fold has 4 layers. Mention the following. Fold has 4 layers. How many wings? Oh, folds has 4 layers. How many wings? How many axes? The fold has 4 layers. Mention the following. How many wings? Has 2 wings. Yes, fold with 4 layers has 2 wings. How many axes? They have 4 axes. Yes, 4 axes.